In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js in Hostinger effortlessly. Whether you're a developer eager to run Node.js applications on a VPS or just exploring your web hosting options, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to your Hostinger panel and select your hosting plan. It's important to note that Node.js is only supported on VPS or cloud hosting plans. Shared hosting won't do the trick for this setup. Once you're logged in, identify the right hosting environment where you can run Node.js applications effectively. Next, you need to access your VPS via SSH. From your Hostinger panel, navigate to Servers and select your VPS. Here, you should copy your server's IP address, along with your username and password. Now on your computer, open Terminal if you're using a Mac or Linux, or PuTTY if you're on Windows. Command your way into your server by typing ssh root at your server IP. This step will establish a secure connection to your server, enabling you to control it remotely. Before you proceed to install Node.js, it's essential to update and upgrade your server. Run the command sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade y on your terminal. This practice ensures that all your packages are up to date and your server is in optimal condition to accommodate new installations. There are two common methods to install Node.js. The first option is straight from the Ubuntu repository using the command sudo apt install Node.js y, followed by sudo apt install npm y. The second option, for those who prefer the latest versions, is to install via node source. Execute curl fssl https://db.nodesource.command setup 20 xs sudo ebash followed by sudo apt install y node.js. This will particularly appeal to those looking for the cutting-edge features of Node.js. Now let's verify if the installation was successful. Checking this is simple. Use node.v and npm.rv to confirm that both Node.js and npm are installed and working correctly. This basic step saves time and ensures everything is set up properly. To make sure everything's working as it should, let's run a simple test node.js app. Start by creating a test file using nano-app.js. Paste the provided code into this file, which essentially sets up a basic server responding with a simple message. To see it in action, run node-app.js, then visit http://your server IP3000s in your browser. If you see the message displayed, congratulated, your Node.js server is running successfully. Finally, if you wish to keep your Node.js application running continuously, you can use PM2. It's a process manager for Node.js apps. Install it with npm install shaji pm2, then start your app using pm2 start app.js. To ensure it starts on system reboot, execute pm2 startup. This step is optional, but advantageous for uninterrupted service. There you have it. You've successfully installed Node.js on Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!